morning, kids. I hope you all are fit and fine and taking good care of yourself. Kids, today I am taking your maths class and today we will revise what comes before. And kids, you know before means. Beta, before means pehle.
Let's play with this ball today and learn before numbers. Now first, let me tell you what are before numbers. When we count backward from a given number, we get before numbers. Let's count backward from number 7. Yes, we get numbers 6, 5, 4 and so on. All these numbers are before 7. Can you see the ball? It is on number 3. Which number will you get when you count backward? We will get number 2. Thus 2 comes before number 3. Where is the ball now? It is on number 6. Now which number will you get if you count backward? Yes, you're right. It's number 5. Thus, 5 comes before 6. Now look at the ball. It is on number 9. Let's see what comes before 9. Yay, you're right, kids. It is number 8. So the numbers that comes before are always smaller than the given number. I hope, children, now before numbers are clear to you. Now I'll show you few numbers and you have to tell me before numbers. Okay, children, get ready. What comes before 12? Yes, you're right. 11 comes before 12. Now let's see the next number. It's 20. Now tell me the before number. When you go backward from number 20, we get number 19. So 19 comes before 20.
Kids, before doing the concept of before number, you must know the backward counting. आपको क्या पता होना चाहिए बेटा? Backward counting पता होनी चाहिए. And backward counting means reverse counting. Like 2020, 1919, 1818, 1717, 1616, 1515, 1414, 1313, 1212, 1111, 1010, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. This is backward counting and before means pehle. Now kids, tell me what comes before 1919. And you know before means pehle. तो 1919 से पहले क्या आ रहा है? अब देखिए यहाँ पे 19 से पहले क्या है? 18 भी है, 17 है, 16, 15, 14 और जितने भी डिजिट्स हैं ये कैसे हैं? 19 से पहले हैं. लेकिन हमें क्या चाहिए? What comes before 1919? Here before means just before 1919. यानी 19 से just पहले क्या आ रहा है? ओके और 19 से जस्ट पहले क्या आ रहा है? जस्ट बिफोर क्या आ रहा है? 1818. सो द आंसर इज 1818. व्हाट कम्स बिफोर 1919? 1818. Let's open your maths notebook. First of all, we will mention today's date in left hand side. And today's date is 20th of October 2020. Means 2020.1010.2020. And just opposite side is right hand side, and here we will mention written work. leave one box and write heading in third line. And today's heading is what comes before. W-H-A-T, what? W should be capital. C-O-M-E-S, comes before. B-E-F-O-R-E, before. And here before means pehle. From the margin line, leave two boxes. From the margin line, leave two boxes and write TU. Again leave two boxes and write TU. Here U stands for unit or ones and T stands for tens. Now kids, tell me what comes before 2020. बेटा 2020 से पहले क्या आता है? Now tell me what comes before 2020. Yes, 1919. What comes before 2020? 1919. Here we will write 1919. Okay. Beta underline 1919. Next beta. Now tell me what comes before 1515. You know what comes before 1515? Yes beta. Here are so many numbers before 1515. 1 for 14, 1 3 13, 1 2 12. But what comes before 1515? Here before means just before 1515. मतलब 1515 से just पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है? You know? Yes, 1 for 14. What comes before 1515? 1 for 14. 1 for 14. What comes before 1515? 1 for 14. Now tell me what comes before 1 to 12? 1 to 12. 1 1 11. What comes before 1 to 12? 1 1 11. 1 1 11. Yes. Next. 1 0 10. What comes before 1 0 10? Yes, tell me. What comes before 1 0 10? Yes, 9. What comes before 1 0 10? 9. Beta underline 9. What comes before 7? Yes, what comes before 7? Yes, 6. Here we will write 6. Beta next. Now tell me what comes before 4? What comes before 4? 3. Okay. Before 4, 3. And what comes after 3? 4. 4 से पहले क्या आता है? 3. और 3 के बाद क्या आता है? 4. Okay. Now next. Tell me what comes before 2? अब 2 से पहले क्या आएगा बेटा? बताइए. You know what comes before 2? Yes, 1. What comes before 2? 1. Here we will write 1. और 1 के बाद क्या आएगा? आपको मालूम है ना? What comes after 1? 2. 1 के बाद क्या आता है? 2. और 2 से पहले क्या आता है? 1. Very good. Underline 1. Now kids, tell me what comes before 1 1 11? You know what comes before 1 1 11? बेटा 1 1 11 से पहले क्या आएगा? 1 0 10. Yes, what comes before 1 1 11? 1 0 10. 1 0 10. Yes, what comes before 1 1 11? 1 0 10. So this way you have to do what comes before. But writing should be neat and clean and formation should be correct. Okay, take care. Bye bye.